Hello, my name is Harold. I'm an open source hardware robot. For starters, what is open source hardware? Open source hardware is hardware for which blueprints are shared with the whole world and are openly accessible to everyone to study, copy, change, enhance, and share. For example, that's what I looked like back then. But thanks to our community with access to the source data, I'm constantly improved, redesigned, and upgraded. And let me say, in a very short period of time. A community simply is stronger than a company that is depending on its intellectual property. For example, I love my new skates. Hey, how do you like my new look? This is only one of many extensions and designs, thanks to open source. Oh well, malfunctions can occur from time to time. With open source hardware, there's no need to toss everything though. Because it's openly accessible, it can easily be replaced and repaired. Works perfectly. Compared to my non-open source colleagues. What a waste. Let's use the advantages of open source hardware to change the world, due to a great community and better cooperation.